Today's topic is Newton's first law of motion. Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was a scientist who gave the law of motion and law of gravitation. Sir Isaac Newton was an English physicist and mathematician and a well-known scientist. He discovered three laws of motion and universal gravitational law. Now, Newton's first law of motion. It is also known as law of inertia. What does the statement given by Newton? According to Newton's first law of motion, a body at rest will remain at rest. A body in motion will continue in motion in a straight line with a uniform speed, unless it is compelled by an external force to change its state of rest or of uniform motion. This is the statement given by Newton, so it is also known as Newton's first law of motion. Inertia. Inertia is that property of a body due to which it resists a change in its state of rest or of uniform motion. Greater the inertia of a body, greater will be the force required to bring a change in its state of rest or of uniform motion. Mass is the measure of inertia of a body. If a body has more mass, it has more inertia. For example, a stone has more mass than a football. Similarly, a cricket ball has more mass than a rubber ball of the same size. Thus, the inertia of a body depends on its mass. Heavier the mass of an object, more the inertia of an object. Some question related to Newton's first law of motion, that is the applications of Newton's first law of motion. When a hanging carpet is beaten with a stick, the dust particles start coming out of it. Why? This is because the force of a stick makes the carpet move to and fro slightly, but the dust particle tends to remain at rest due to their inertia and hence separate from the carpet. Next question. When a tree is shaken vigorously, its fruits and leaves fall down. Why? This is due to the fact that when the tree is shaken, it moves to and fro slightly, but its fruits and leaves tends to remain at rest due to their inertia and hence detach from the tree and fall down. Why do passengers in a bus tend to fall backward when it starts suddenly? The answer will be, this is due to the fact that because of their inertia, the passengers tends to remain in their state of rest even when the bus has started moving. Similarly, there are many examples of Newton's first law of motion.